you can see I have a bit of an issue with my front cover. So I'm going to replace the logo LED cable, get this front cover working again. Let's get this guy off here. Get him out of the way. Grab our number 2 Allen. Take this guy off. Nope, lied. Grab our 1.5. Take this guy off. Go ahead and pull this off. Try not to lose these screws. I lost one of those screws and I could never find it. It was attached behind here to this magnet. Lost it forever, like right after I got the machine. Couldn't find it. Oh, this is not, okay. You pull that guy out of there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get all that out of the way. Go to this side. We'll take out these 4 guys. This is still the 1.5. Got one there, one back here. You have one in the middle. Take yours out straight. I'm trying to take them out at an angle just to give you a better view. Then you have one right behind this rail. Okay, now we're on this side. We're going to take off this one down here, at the very bottom. One directly across from it. You have one here in the center, just like the other side. And one right behind the rail. All those screws are the same size, so you don't have to worry about their order. And now what we're going to do is we're going to pull off this front piece. We're going to pull the sides. And just kind of pop it up. Just like that. So kind of pull the sides, pull it, pull up, bottom out. Go ahead and pull it out. It's going to come out around your wire harness that goes in there. Go ahead. This guy just pulls off. Now back here is your board. As you can see, I'm going to try not to move the camera again. As you can see, you just pull this out. What I did is I unplugged this side first. Back here, you're going to have the glue on there, so you're just going to want to like peel that off with some like small needle nose pliers. And then what I did is I pulled it to the wire because it is pretty tight in there. At least mine is. With this, it's all coming apart. And you just pull it out. And we're going to go ahead and get our new one. New one comes with the glue. You can glue it if you want. I normally don't glue anything just in case this happens again. I don't have to mess with it. Here's the new cable. I'm going to test it in the front cover to make sure they are identical pin. They are identical. It can go either way. So we're going to go ahead and just do this the same way I did the last one. Just tuck those wires in there. Push it back. I'm pushing mine back. I'm not pulling on this connector because I don't want to pull another wire out. So just push it back. Now what I'm going to do, ouch. I'm going to go ahead and connect mine. I'm going to push it through more. So I have a good amount and I can easily connect it. Okay, so the pins are on top. I'm going to go ahead and pull that through a little bit. I'm not going to make it taut. Just give them a little bit of slack. Go ahead and put this back piece back on. As you can see, it just slides on. This guy, we're going to go ahead and pull out the sides. Get them around. See, I just turn that a little bit. If you're having issues to get that on, just turn it. Put it on there. And put all the screws back in. And I'm a sucker for punishment. So instead of trying it all before I put everything back together, I'm gonna live dangerously. Put everything back together and then deal with the consequences if it doesn't work. So as you can see, I broke my front cover when I took it off the first time, because I took all this apart without reading any instructions the first time. Yeah, I realized you didn't have to take so much apart. All right, let's switch over to the other side now. All right, let me go ahead and get these in. Put the top tube on. Screws back in there, even though they're pretty stripped and don't do a whole lot. Let's get that front cover on. So I get this cover plugged up. All right, let's see if that works. I see a light. Let's see if we got a fan. Oh yeah, look at that. Success. And that's how you change the LED logo cable.